Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover variable. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover variable. We can declare and assign value to variable at same time. Or, we can declare variable and assign value later on. We can declare variable with default constraint to assign default value to variable if null is assigned. We can declare variable with not null constraint to make sure null values are not assigned to variable. We can inherit data type, size, and constraint of another variable using another variable name percentage type. And we can define constant using constant keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover variable assignment from SQL query. We can assign values into variable using select column name into variable query. In the next program, I am going to cover variable to store column or row value. We can declare variable to store a single column value using table name.column name percentage type. And declare variable to store entire row using table name percentage row type. In the next program, I am going to cover global and local variable. Variable declared in outermost block is called global variable, which is accessible from all the inner blocks. Variable declared in inner block is called local variable, which is accessible only within the block in which it is declared, and not accessible from outer blocks. In the next program, I am going to cover qualify redeclared global variable. I have redeclared same global variable in inner block. In this case, we can qualify global variable using outer block label.global variable name. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.